Big win of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. It is a big win of the BJP, and I would like to thank the people of the state for their kind cooperation and support to the government. And I would like to thank all the members who voted for the BJP and those who are in the opposition also, who have shown the healthy democratic system, and it is a win-win situation, I will say, because there is no defeat in the loss, but it is a greatest achievement of the people of the state, and we are contributing our Maharaja, the titular king, as a Rajya Sabha member, as a team of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji and the Home Minister Amit Shah ji.
Sir, could you...
I also would like to congratulate and thank the National President, Nada ji of the BJP, for his effort, for his tireless, the checking, balancing, and mobilizing all the members and all the state people of the state.
Sir, do you think that this result will give another stable government to your government, sir?
The result itself shows that the BJP-led government in favor of the titular king, we are getting 28 out of 52. It clearly shows we have enough strength of majority.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Wish you all the best, sir.
Thank you.